Okey, seterusnya steam fly.
Smell you later. Stink fly. Let's get stinky. Oh man, this hero stuff ain't easy. Stink fly.
Steam fly. Berbeza steam fly dengan benteng origin dulu.
Let's get stinky. Float like a butterfly, sting like a stink fly. Oh man, this hero stuff ain't easy. I'm 100% putrid power. Now move it or lose it. Smell you later.
Okey, jom. Bunyi dia sembuh dia punya cahaya tu. Okey, itu dia steam fly. Next. Overflow, saya rasa tak silap nama dia.
Okay, sweet. Overflow is like the world's most powerful water gun.
Yeah, overflow.
Thirsty? Somebody order an underwater beatdown? Woohoo! Thirsty? Okay, sweet. Overflow is like the world's most powerful water gun.
Okey, tengok function dia pula. Bunyi air. Okey, itu dia. Next. SLRA. Okay.
Time to accelerate. I'm faster than I thought. Gotta run. Be that stupid penguin behind you. Don't even think about it. Lightning fast. I'm faster than I thought. Be that stupid penguin behind you. Don't even think about it.
Okay. Laju, accelerate. Next. Grey matter.
Who are you calling miniature? Gray matter can solve this puzzle. Sometimes smaller is better. Say hello to the big brain. What is your malfunction? Sometimes smaller is better.
Okay. Bunyi tapak kaki dia melekat. Tak silap. Okay, itu dia. Grey matter. Upgrade, okay.
I'm just operating the control console. I am the control console. Upgrade. Now just walk out of it. All systems go. I'm just operating the control console. I am the control console.
Oi, ganas suara upgrade. Oi, smart bunyi dia. Wow. Okay, to upgrade. Next. Forearm.
Let's dial this thing up a notch. That was awesome. Give me 20. Who's begging for a smackdown? I will crush you. They call me Forearms. Get ready for Fists of Fury. I will crush you. They call me Forearms.
Okay. Jadi set merah tu. Okay, itu dia. Cannonball.
Consider yourself grounded. Cannonball coming Stay right. Time to rock and roll. Consider yourself grounded. Stay right.
Bunyi putaran ke nombor. Okay. Next. Hit Blast.
Oh yeah, did you see that? I'm hot stuff.
I'm hot stuff.
Who wants to play hot potato? Check this burn. I have 3 modes. Hot, scorching, and extra crispy. Who wants to play hot potato? Check this burn. Fighting fire with fireballs. I have 3 modes. Hot, scorching, and extra crispy. Where there's smoke, there's heat blast. Oh yeah, did you see that? I'm hot stuff.
Okay. Oh, bunyi api. Okay. Itu dia. Hit Blast. Next. Okay, dah habis. Itu dia. Hero-hero yang kita ada 10 semuanya. Okay, ini dia bunyi rotation. Okay, itu dia. Untuk function on lah. Kalau demo, kita tengok pula. Mesti demo. Kita tekan, dia akan keluarkan suara alien. Dengan dia punya function. Okay, lepas tu. Okay.
I'm faster than I thought. Triggering the correct sequence of synapses should allow me some rudimentary motor control. Sure wish I knew what I was talking about. Now this one, red. Who's begging for a smackdown? Consider yourself grounded. Where there's smoke, there's heat blast. Time to intertwine with wildfire. It's Diamond Head time. Let's get stinky.
Okay, yang menariknya jam ni, dia ada bunyi setiap alien lah, setiap 10 alien ni, dan juga bunyi sound effect lah daripada alien tu, kan. Macam in Blast, dia ada sound effect api. Dan juga yang paling penting, rotation dia lah, memang sama lah seperti dalam cerita tu. Boleh pusing-pusing function macam ni. Sebab kan, lama dah saya cari jam macam ni, baru jumpa. Okay. Apa korang? Apa pendapat korang tentang jam ni? Korang boleh komen di ruangan komen. Okay. Untuk para kolektor benteng, adakah satisfied jam ni? Dan apa pendapat korang tentang jam benteng? Adakah menarik atau tidak? Boleh like, share dan subscribe LM Network. Dan kita sambung dengan video-video menarik akan datang. Bye.